and Smart Consultancy Private Limited welcomes CA Natik Jain, All India Ranker 38 in CA. Examination held in November 2020.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all whoever is watching in different time zones. We are here to have a discussion with All India rank number 38 in one of the most toughest exam, that is Chartered Accountants. I welcome Naitik Jain from Ajmer, Rajasthan. So Naitik, how did it feel? So first question comes really, number 38, how is it feeling?
Sir, I'm feeling on the top of the heaven.
Very good. That's the way it should be. You want to elaborate? You want to express more?
Sir, words are not sufficient to express my feelings right now.
Right.
I can't believe that I am All India Ranker 38 right now, because this feeling is never ending. In the last 1 week, I'm so much excited, so much happy, which I've never been in my life.
Very good. So is it coming from within? No, I have got 38. Whether I have got 38?
Yes, sir, it is coming from within.
Okay. So it was all hard work. It was luck. It was Corona. What was it?
Sir, it was everything. हार्ड वर्क एंड लक तो हर बार ही होता है, लेकिन इस बार कोरोना भी था.
So Corona mein I heard that the exams were shifting from July. Earlier it was May, then to July, then to November.
Yes.
So was that like a benefiting factor that you are getting more of a time to kind of do the preparation, or it was on a different side that no I've already done the preparation, why I'm getting again extra time? What was your feeling?
Sir, to conclude, it was not a good opportunity for me. But to start with, earlier it was a good opportunity because I felt कि हाँ अब ज़्यादा टाइम है थोड़ा मेरे पास और मैं अच्छा प्रिपेयर और कर सकता हूँ. तो शुरू में तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, but after that when it kept on postponing again and again, I started feeling very demotivated because my studies were being very much hampered. सर हमने बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर किया था मार्च तक, एंड बिकॉज क्योंकि मई में एग्जाम होने होते तो हाँ हमको अप्रैल तक कंप्लीट करना होता है. तो मेरा कोर्स 3 बार रिवाइज भी हो गया था और बहुत अच्छी प्रिपरेशन थी, बट एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन हुए मार्च 21 या 23 के अराउंड एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन हुए थे. उस पीरियड से लेके अगले 2 महीने 3 महीने तक, क्योंकि एग्जाम हर एक महीने से बार पोस्टपोन होते थे, जुलाई अगस्त ऐसे 2-3 बार पोस्टपोन हुए. तो पढ़ाई तो सर बहुत हैम्पर हुई है मेरी, और मेरे को लगता है कि अगर अभी मैं इतनी खराब पढ़ाई के बाद भी रैंक ले आया तो पक्का फिर मई में और अच्छी रैंक लेके आता.
चलिए ठीक है. 38 rank is also a wonderful rank. So what is the background and the story behind this journey for Naitik Jain? How has your journey been?
Sir, in CPT and IPCC, which are the first 2 levels of CA exams, I didn't score any rank, but I cleared both the exams in the first attempt. So the journey was very normal, not too deep, not too high. So it was a good journey. But in finals, it was very tiring job to handle studies with articleship, because till IPCC we were like students who just study. And they don't have to do anything. They have to just study and score good marks in their exams.
Correct, right.
But after coming in finals, it was the first time when I started going to office, and the office is very hectic job to do with studies, because in morning we have to rush to the tuitions, and it was in very early morning. I used to wake up at 5. Get ready by 6 and reach my study center at 6:30, and classes starts from 6:30, 7 o'clock, and it goes till 10.
Okay.
And after 10 we have to go to our office. And office continues till 7, 8, or it can extend to much more, depends on the audit season or the work we are handling. So it was very tiring job, because एक बार सर सुबह ट्यूशन्स लेने के बाद जो पढ़ा है वो रिवाइज करना कंपलसरी है. अगर वो नहीं करते हैं तो बैकलॉग क्रिएट होता जाता है और फिर ट्यूशन्स लेने का मतलब नहीं है. तो घर जाकर के रहता था सर हमको रिवाइज करना है, बट कई बार नहीं हो पाता था क्योंकि ऑडिट प्लेस से आने में टाइम लग जाता था, हम थक जाते थे और फिर हम सो जाते थे. सुबह वापस से ट्यूशन है. तो
So in a day, if I ask you in a day, for how many hours you were kind of studying, and for how long you have been studying in terms of
Sir,
number of years?
I feel that articleship is also a part of study because
Okay.
it teaches us many things which we don't study in the books. So if you say in the articleship tenure, when I was going to
For
office,
3 years.
yes, for 2.5 years, because
Two
after
and a half
2.5 years we are eligible to give exams, and
Mhm.
after that we again go to office for the remaining period. So for the first 2.5 years when I was going to office and studying as well, at that time I remember as far as I know, because क्योंकि रोज सुबह tuition 3 hours and after that office for 8 to 9 hours at least.
9
so 8,
plus
3,
12 hours.
11 and 12 hours, and plus self study of 2 hours at least in
12 plus 2, 14 hours.
14. So
So you,
bare minimum.
you were kind of with the job you were studying, so that completes like 14 hours of
a day.
schedule.
Yes, sir.
That you actually did
Yes, I
for
actually did.
almost 2.5 years.
Yes.
And even for the last 6 months also,
Yes,
you have
yes.
to kind of
during
do the
during
same.
the examination weeks when I was totally studying and preparing for the exams, I was studying for 14 to 15 hours, which effectively made it up to 12 hours or 11 hours, and it was sufficient because मेरी पढ़ाई उतने में सर हो जाती थी, and I was quite happy.
But 14 hours for 2.5 years, it's
Yes.
a long period, and I think some people they do kind of study, but
Yes.
most of the people that I have kind of seen, and students who are aspirants for IIT or who are aspirants for CA,
Yes.
they normally study for, let's say, 8 to 9 hours, but
Yes.
not sure they do ranks or not. But I think that's awesome.
Thank you.
So, so what is the Naitik? What was the toughest subject that you had in CA, and what is the main key to kind of crack that exam?
Sir, I think this is a common answer which I am going to give, because almost every student in CA course feels the most toughest subject is audit.
Okay.
So this is the biggest phobia which every student of a CA have. So the toughest subject was audit itself,
Okay.
and the thing I used to crack it was the only thing which everybody should do, because उसके अलावा सर कोई ऑप्शन भी नहीं है उसको क्रैक करने के लिए. दिस इज दी ओनली सब्जेक्ट जिसमें नंबर भी लोएस्ट आते हैं और फेल भी होते हैं. इसकी वजह से एग्जाम्स में हर सब्जेक्ट में पास होने के बाद भी सीए बनने से रह जाते हैं.
अच्छा.
और सो ट्रिक वाज to study the keywords. I always used to mark the keywords because it's a theoretical subject.
Okay.
We have to write what is given in the books if we have to score marks in the exam. So मैं हमेशा क्या करता था, जो भी सब्जेक्ट है उसमें हर सब्जेक्ट में मैं कीवर्ड्स मार्क करता था, बट स्पेसिफिकली इन ऑडिट हर सब्जेक्ट के साथ साथ इस सब्जेक्ट पे ज़्यादा फोकस करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि तो पूरा थियोरेटिकल है और उसमें मार्क्स तभी मिलते हैं जब हम वो कीवर्ड्स लिखकर आते हैं.
Okay.
So the keywords is the you can say the
Key.
key to
Keywords are the key.
keywords are the key to crack this exam.
Okay, okay, very good. So, what is the overall preparation strategy? Somebody like a CA aspirant looking for, let's say, after 12th, he or she has taken BCom, and then now he or she is preparing for CA.
Yes.
What is the overall preparation strategy that you want to give it to those people?
Sir, when I joined CA exams after 12, the first exam which was used to be conducted earlier was CPT, but nowadays it has been replaced with foundation examinations. So the preparation strategy would differ very much. So instead of discussing that part, I would like to discuss with the intermediate and final exams, which are much more difficult than the CPT part. So in intermediate, my preparation strategy was very much fixed. I joined Jaipur coaching institution.
Okay.
So I had to do nothing, but I just had to go to the coaching, just take the lectures and always revise what I was studying daily. That was the part of my daily schedule at the time of intermediate, and we used to go give mock test exams, and we were very much confident we will pass because our studies were very much sufficient. We daily go to coaching. What my target was to complete the coaching before the examinations leave. All the coachings either you attend coachings or you do it by yourself. There is no compulsion to attend coaching because
So after 12th, you study for 3 months.
Yes.
That is sufficient for the foundation
For the-
exam,
for the
even
foundation.
objective and subjective.
yes.
So once you clear that foundation exam, any tips you want to give? What should somebody study for those 3 months?
So to be very honest, at that stage, even I was not very much sure that I would be able to crack it.
Right.
And to be much more honest, even I did study at that time very seriously or particularly. I gave those exams very
Casually.
and सर वो तो मतलब chances हैं, lucky हूँ मैं कि जो मैं पास हो गया था उस टाइम पर, because I knew कि मैंने कितनी मस्ती करी उन टाइम पर, because
Okay.
12th class तक I was very notorious. मैं बहुत कम studies पर focus करता था. I was
Okay.
very much
So you are saying even if you are notorious till 12th, you can
Yes,
still
yes,
become
yes,
a CA and get a rank.
because after 12th you have to work hard to become CA.
Okay.
But it's not कि हाँ भाई बचपन से हमको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है CA बनने के
Actually,
लिए.
let's say somebody studied for 3 months and then he is able to clear that foundation exam.
Yes.
What next?
The next level starts with intermediate examinations.
Okay.
So as I mentioned, my exams were held in the month of June. I gave my CPT back in 2017. 2016, sorry, 2016.
Okay.
So in the month of June, the exams are over. Results got declared in the month of July or August, I guess. And I started preparing for intermediate well before the examination.
So preparation for intermediate you started
after June itself.
So
Before the
any
declaration of results.
preparation tips for that intermediate exam?
Sir, the preparation tip is to work hard. I daily revise what I study at my present day. A regular mock test was given. The basic key to success is to analyze yourself. Because we all study, there is no one in CA who doesn't study, because sir, it is a very much hard exam and every person needs to study. So the key to success was to give exams. Mock exams help us in analyzing where we stand. Because sir, अपन की कोई गलती एग्जाम में जाकर के होती है और उसके पहले अपन मॉक टेस्ट देकर के रियलाइज कर लें, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्योंकि मैंने फाइनल्स में
suggesting people should do actually
मैं
mock
आपको
tests.
बताता हूँ, मैंने फाइनल्स में और इंटरमीडिएट में मल्टीपल मॉक टेस्ट दिए एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 times.
Okay.
एंड दे वर द की टू सक्सेस बिकॉज उन्होंने मेरी परफॉर्मेंस कम से कम 20-25% तक इंक्रीज करी है.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So after intermediate, what next?
After intermediate, I joined articleship. I
Hmm.
got registered for CA finals and I started.
So articleship, anybody can register from anywhere?
If a person clears any single group of intermediate, he can register for the articleship.
Okay.
And after clearing intermediate, he can register for the final examinations.
Okay. So you have to clear that articleship also during a defined period of time?
Yes,
or-
yes, yes.
Okay.
It is a defined period of time. It is a period of 3 years for which we have to serve as an article in a CA firm. And after 2.5 years of those 3 years, we are eligible to give the final examinations.
So if I ask you which was the CA form, is it like okay or you want
Yes, sir.
to disclose? Yeah.
No, sure, sir. I'm
Yeah.
very proud to be part of my CA firm. It is S. Bhandari and Company.
Okay.
It is a well-renowned firm of Jaipur.
In Jaipur,
And
yeah.
I got a much very good practical exposure from over there, so which helped me a lot in my studies.
Okay, so I think we have seen this journey from intermediate to internship to CA
CA
finals
finals.
rank 38.
Yes.
Now, what are your future plans, Natik?
Sir, in future, I'm planning to join a good company because basically I'm interested in the field of finance, or it be auditing or it be taxation. But I'm much more keen to join a finance company because I myself feels very enthusiastic while working in the finance field.
Okay.
It's अपन कहते हैं ना सर, कुछ काम करने में मजा है तभी काम
मजा है,
करना
very
चाहिए.
good.
तो मजा सर फाइनेंस में ही आता है.
Okay.
So I'm planning to join a good company where I can get a good exposure and can enhance my knowledge and go to a good level in the future years to come.
Any last thought and advice, Natik?
Thought and advice is, I can only give a general statement. I don't know. It would be a filming line or it's my line.
Chalo, give your feeling, yeah.
Sir, my feeling is, advice is to just believe in yourself, sir. Every person should believe in yourself, in himself or herself, what I mean to say. Because if you didn't believe in yourself, you can't beat your competitors because everybody is competing. It is very competitive out there.
Right.
And to succeed, you need to be much confident than the other person because your confidence brings down his confidence and make you more confident to do that thing. And by believing in oneself, you get the feeling that yes, I have those goals to achieve, and if I want them to achieve,
Set your goals, believe in yourself. That's your
perfect.
motto.
Sir. Yes, sir. This is
Set
the-
your goals, believe in yourself.
Yes.
Okay, so that was Naitik Jain, CA AI rank 38. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. We would like to present Naitik Jain for his awesome achievement.
Thank you, sir.